Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to enable Gridlines on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and now simply tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. Now we have to scroll down to the useful features section, and as you can see on the third position we've got the Gridlines option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it. Let's get back, and as you can see the Gridlines are immediately activated and applied, so they will be extremely helpful if you want to take harmonious photos or if you want to apply the rule of thirds. And be aware that the Gridlines are visible only on the camera app, so after taking a photo and checking the preview of it, you cannot see any Gridlines, so no worries. Let me get back, and actually now let me show you how to turn them off. All you have to do is go back to the settings, find the Gridlines and tap on the switcher again. Let's get back, and the helper lines simply disappear. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Gridlines in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.